You guys, welcome back. Oh my goodness. I've missed it here, girl. I've missed you. I don't even have the words for y'all because like I feel nervous being here talking to you guys. And it's so dumb because like I'm on my vlog channel, I'm on TikTok, I'm everywhere else but here, girl. Like, oh my gosh. It's just been a while, y'all. And I didn't mean to leave you behind, girl. I don't even know where to get started. In the past year, I've uploaded how many times on here? Like I could literally count on one hand, I'm sure. I've been all over the place. I do want to say I haven't just like disappeared from the internet because I'm aware that there's people that watched this channel that don't watch my vlogs or like follow me on Instagram or my other platforms, and you very well may think like this girl really like fell off the face of the map. And I did for some of y'all, and that's okay, girl. When I got pregnant with my daughter, I feel like in the beginning I was still pretty consistent, but I gotta be real with y'all. I was going through like a big burnout phase, but I was pushing through and I was like in tunnel vision and I was like, I'm burnt the heck out. Like I was for a while, but I wasn't stopping. Then I became pregnant. And then I was like, you know what? I'm pregnant. Like I need to chill out. I shouldn't be stressing. I wouldn't say that I took advantage of being pregnant, but I knew I was pregnant. So I was like, I'm gonna take it really chill from here. I knew I was burnt out for a while. So I was like, you know what? This is my chance to really relax, and when I want to film, I'm gonna film. When I don't want to, or when I'm tired, I'm really gonna like chill and not film. I wanted to still, you know, post, so I started vlogging a lot more, which is just a lot easier for me. Like when you see like vlog content, it's so easy to just like vlog your daily life. The editing is so much easier. When it came to my main channel, the videos were different. Like I was doing all these crazy videos. I didn't just want to like upload anything to my main channel. I always had like these crazy ideas or slime and, you know, very like niche content that I have here. So I just started vlogging a lot more. Then I had my baby. I had priorities. I'm a whole mom now.
I'm a mother. No drama.
Once I had my baby, like I feel like this channel literally flew out the window. I never stopped posting on my vlog channel though. In fact, for the last like 2 years or so, I've been the most consistent I've ever been on my vlog channel. I've been pretty consistent on Instagram, and I'm now very consistent on TikTok with SQUISHYBUNNII. SQUISHYBUNNII is my husband and I's slime shop, and SQUISHYBUNNII's been around for like, well, like 7 years. Like 7 years or so, but she was always on the back burner, girl. Like always. Like we were always prioritizing the main channel and everything I had going on. 2017 Karina was busy the house, girl. SQUISHYBUNNII was always something that we really wanted to put, you know, our passion into. I really wanted to grow it, but we just never had the time. So once I had my daughter, I really like laid back on this on my main channel, started like vlogging more, and we started getting back into slime. I feel like my life the last year, most of my time has gone to the SQUISHYBUNNII slime shop. And thank you guys so much for the support on SQUISHYBUNNII, y'all. I truly am flabbergasted at the support y'all have shown us. SQUISHYBUNNII in the past year alone has grown so much. It's crazy. You know, I feel like a lot of YouTubers, they still post. I've just noticed the same with everybody else, where people are into short form content right now, so a lot of us have moved towards TikTok and stuff like that. It's not that they gave up, because I feel like I didn't give up, girl. I feel like TikTok is a big reason why a lot of content creators here on YouTube stop posting. Are y'all watching this right now? 2 viewers. I'm honestly nervous even just filming here because I'm like, girl, it's been forever.
It's been 84 years.
I miss this channel a lot, and it's time, honestly, it's just time to come back. Like that's really all it is. I just want to come back and be consistent with this channel. So I want to get into shorts, do all the reels and stuff on Instagram, post all that short form content, but I also want to post like content that people subscribed to this channel for, girl. I really do miss the crazy slime videos. Y'all, you know, I'm 29 years old. She's damn near 30 making slime still, girl. It's crazy because although I stopped posting on here, like I really never stopped making slime. I mean, we have a whole warehouse now, you guys. I'm in my warehouse right now in my office. I basically live here now, girl. You know, there's just so much going on, and I want to just take you guys along that journey of us running the slime shop and everything, and I just want y'all to tell me like what you want to see. I want to bring some of that content back, but I also want to do things that make sense with what's going on right now in my life, you know, like mommy things, slime things, a little bit of a mix, you know. Guys, it's funny because I sit here and I'm like, what do y'all like? Because that's how long it's been. Like I know what y'all liked in 2017, but like I know what people like on my vlog channel. I know what people like, oh my gosh, I have a podcast now, you guys. I feel like I'm connecting with a lot of people on a personal level. But when it comes to like this curated content, like it's been a while, you know? So I'm just excited to be back. I'm officially back, y'all. Hold me accountable, girl. I've been having so much fun with everything I'm doing. My baby's about to be 2 years old. She's like getting into that toddler phase now. I feel like I got this mom thing down. Like I got it locked down. The first year, girl, it was crazy. But I feel like I got this down and I'm ready to like get back into this. With that being said, girl, I was never gone. Whenever one of my TikToks goes viral, oh my God, everybody's like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're back. What have you been doing? I'm like, awkward, I've been here, girl. It's always so awkward to get those comments. Oh my God, I forgot she existed. Ah! Like, I feel like there's people that kept up with my pregnancy and like the people that I connected with. Like I meet a lot of moms now, or a lot of people my age, because before this I used to meet like a lot of people like that were like 10 years old into slime and stuff. And I feel like I kind of grew like a, you know, I grew with my audience, and I also connected with a different audience now too, and especially with a podcast. Oh girl, don't even get me started about the podcast. I really have no filter on there. If you want to get to know like a whole other side of me, the podcast is wild, girl. Like, let's keep it real. I really was gone on this channel, and I'm excited to be back, y'all. I'll see you guys very soon after this, and I can't wait to start making this content again, y'all. I'm down to get back into that old content too, or I'm down to like mix it up and bring some mommy things in here. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, if you're watching this, because I'm a little nervous, girl. I'm like, it's been a minute, and I'm really excited to get back into it. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.